What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to swap face in Freepik AI. We're currently here on Freepik and you're going to go over to the top where you have some options. We're going to hover over AI suit and then you can see create and then you have edit. When you hover over edit, you can see retouch. Click on it and then here we'll need to drop an image. As you can see right here, we have an image and we'll be trying to swap this face. In order to do that, you can come over here to where you have the prompt and you can see upload image and character. Click on upload image and we will be dragging and dropping an image right here. Now this image obviously is different from what we had at first and we'll be using it. And then what it's done with the image is it produced a text prompt of the image which we uploaded, which is fine. We're going to come over to where you have your brush, click on the drop down and you can see brush, lasso or click. Now you can use any of these options to highlight or paint over the area you'd like to switch. In this case, the face, we'll be using the click option here. You're going to wait for it to load right here. And when it's loaded, you're going to hover over the area you'd like to swap, which is the face. And we're going to click on it and then click on retouch. And after a few moments of waiting, we now have a new face swap. It's not perfect because you now have a scarf looking thing at the neck, but you can see that the face has been swapped. You have the second option and the first option which you can choose. Then there are the options for the pro versions, but for now we just have these two options and you have a face swap. You can go ahead and click on save, save again, and your creation is being processed right here on Freepik. Awesome. And now you have the option to download it at the top right area here. If you hover over it, you can see export. Click on it and you have the option to download PNG or JPEG. The SVG is for the pro version, so you can use any of these options. Click on download and you can see the download is ready. So this is how to swap face in Freepik AI.